Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? And I hope you are doing really very good in the scratch. Okay, so thank you so much for watching our channel, for watching the video, for following, for giving very good comment in that. So thank you so much, first of all. And in previous video, if you will see, we created one mini project which is related to your son. Okay, but this project is really very different project. Okay, so now we can say this is one platformer game. Okay, so it means today we are going to create about a game. Okay, so as always, first I will run this project. First I will show you how you will add entire thing and how you will play this game. So let's start. So we need to just press our arrow. So we have to first click on play. So this is very easy. You need to just press your up arrow and your right arrow, left arrow if you want to move. Okay. Stay careful. So who like the scanny stairs? You have to go like this. Okay. So this all we can say it looks like a game, right? So here we have some stages. If you will clear your first stage, you have to go to your second stage like that. Okay. This stage is very hard. Okay. So I will give you the challenge. So what I will do, I will give you the link in the comment section. And once you will clear this stage, you can take a screenshot and you have to share with me. Okay. So now we will see how you will create this game. Okay. So as always, first I will explain you your backdrop. So because the backdrop is very important part here. In the platformer game, always the backdrop is very important. So this is our first backdrop, which is a plain shaded color. Instead of this color, so this is my choice, right? But if you want to add any other color, even you can add that. Okay. Then we will see our backdrop too because that is very easy like this. Okay. Then this is our backdrop 3. This climb, if you want here, you can add. If you want here, if you want the height little bit high, means according to your choice, you can set the difficulty level. Okay. Then we have our backdrop 4. Like a stay careful. If you will touch this yellow line, again you will come here. Okay. Then we have our fifth backdrop like this. Okay, like a stairs. Even you can draw any other thing also according to your choice. Then we have whom. Then we have this one which is weird. After that we have the next one. Okay. Then this is our difficult one. Then we have like this. This is our last level. And then you will get good job. Miss, this is the last one. This is the last screen. Okay. So according to your choice, you can set the difficulty level. Okay. And really the coding part is very easy here. Only you have to give some time to draw your backdrop. Means you have to set your difficulty level. If you want any other obstacles also, you can add that. Okay. So this is our first part, like how you will add your backdrop. Okay. So if you have any doubt regarding how you will add your backdrop, you can check our previous videos also. So you will get that. After that, we have our first sprite, which is this. Instead of this character, if you want to add any other character also, you can add. Okay. So this is our second. Like we have two costume. So everything is same. Only eyes change, as you can see. In the first costume, we have eye here. In the second, we have this eyes here. Okay. Then we will see our second one, which is display. Okay, this is our second sprite. Then we have blueprint, this one. So this also you can create any other according to your choice. Okay, so total we have three sprite and one backdrop. Now we will start from our sprite one. So this is, as you can see, little bit lengthy but very easy. Okay, so as always we have to start like a when flag is clicked. Here we want to move. Initially we have to hide this. Why? I will show you. When you will click on the flag, we want. When I click on the play, then only we want to see this. Okay. So initially we have to hide that. And what size you want. Instead of 65, suppose you want 100%, means little bit big. And once you will run, you will get little bit big. So according to again your choice, you have to set the size. You want 100% or you want little bit small. Okay. Then we have variables. So you need to go to the variable section. You have to create these two variable, left and right, up and down. Because we want to move to the left and right direction, we want to move to the up and down direction. So initially we want to hide our variable. Means you have to take this block and whatever you want, up, down, left, right. So you have to, initially you have to hide both, up and down also, left and right also. And what backdrop you want initially when you will click on the flag? We want this plain one. So we have to take first backdrop. Or else if you want the second one, initially you can, instead of first backdrop, you can add your second backdrop. Okay. Then as you can see, we have arrows. We have left arrow, we have right arrow, and everything we want continuously. So we have to add entire thing inside the variable. Okay. Then we have our arrows. Like when we will click on the right arrow, what will happen? When we will click on the left arrow, so what will happen? Okay, this is our two part. And if condition, where you will get this, inside your control you need to take if else. If you will press the right arrow, so you we have to change left and right to one, and we want our costume to first, because if you remember for this sprite, the first costume eyes is little bit in the right direction, right? And in the left, like if you will see this, see the eyes in the right direction, if you will see this eye in the left direction, so that we will see like when we will press the right arrow, so we want eye in the right direction, and if you will press the left arrow, so eye will be in the left direction. Here we have to increment our value by 1, but here we have to decrement the value, because in always if you will see any platformer game, always we have to go to our forward direction, not a backward. Okay. Then this is for our left, right? Same, we will see the next one. So initially what we want here, first we have to set our left and right to, we have to multiply because we want to move, right? We have to change our x. So as always, I explained you in the previous video also, this is our x-axis. So if you want to move here, okay, so this is our x-axis. If you want to move up and down, so for that we are using our y-axis. Okay, so here as you can see, we have to change our x. So we have a color, if you will see the same color, right, we are using here. So if you want, like if that will touch to this color, we want to change by 1. Okay, if that will touch to your this color, again we want to change that by 1. So how you will get that exact color? You have to go to your backdrop. Suppose this color, right? Now come to your sprite one. coding area. You have to first click on the color. Like see, once you will go to the sensing, you will get your touching color. Once you will click on the color, you will get this pencil option. Click on that. Suppose we want this, so select that color. Automatically in the box you will get the same color. So if that will touch to the color, we have to change our Y. Okay. After that, again, if that will touch to that color, we have to change our X by minus. Means again we will return back. Okay. And we have to change our Y. After that, if you will press your up arrow, if you will press your up arrow, and if your left and right is greater than 0, so we have to set a left and right to -5, else to 5. Again we have to set up and down, because we want to move up and down also. Okay. And we have to change our Y by up and, like a -1 here. We have to change our up and down. Up and down means your Y position. Okay. Again, if that will touch to your this color, what will happen? That is, I think, pinkish color. So again, we need to change our Y by, means we will just do the multiplication. Okay. So this you have to follow for your sprite one. You have to change your Y. If again that will touch to the color, and if you will press your up arrow, so we have to move to the up direction because we want to jump, right? So this thing we have to follow for our sprite one. Okay. Now we will see looting, means display option. So now see, when I will always click on the flag, you will get the screen. So we have to go to this position. As you can see, this is the position for your play button. Even if you will take your play here, okay. So what will happen, always when you will click on the flag, you will get your play here. Okay. And in the forever, what will happen if you will touch this, means if that will touch to your mouse pointer or mouse down, so what will happen? It will broadcast start message. And once we will receive or broadcast in the sprite one, this one, see, you have to show this sprite, and initially it will go to this. Means once you will click flag, if you will click this, always you will get this position. Okay. So we have to broadcast start, and then we will hide our play button because we want our play button initially, and then we will switch to our backdrop too. If that will touch to your mouse pointer, it will switch the costume to 2. Okay. Now see, if you will touch here, see, it is increasing and decreasing, right? So this thing we have to do for our play button. Okay. Now we will see the lutein. Lutein is also very easy. When flag is clicked, initially we want to hide that. Okay. And once you will receive the start button, then only we want to show here. This is the position of the lutein. See, very simple. Now we will see the backdrop part. Backdrop is also very easy. If you will see, when flag is clicked, so in the forever, we want to change our backdrop number. Like initially we want 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. And if that will reach to your backdrop 11, means last one, it will broadcast finish. Okay, means here we have to end the game. So this is our platformer game. I will give you link in the description box. Please complete this project and give me the link in our chat box. Okay. So please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Okay. So thank you so much. You can share this video with your family member, with your friends. Okay. So thank you so much.